What if I told you that your PC is being secretly slowed down by Windows itself? Right now, your computer is running dozens of apps, trackers, and background processes that you never asked for and definitely don't need. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove all of that garbage for free and make your PC free brand new again. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, and yes, I did this on my own Predator i9 gaming laptop, and the results were insane. I am Abhishek from Digital Tech, where technology becomes simple. Let's get into it. You will see in your PC, yes, search bar, some recommendation here, and many tools here, which consume RAM and CPU uses, which makes your PC slow. So let's start. So first step is network optimization. So you can do this through command prompt. You will search cmd, run this as admin, copy all these commands or one by one you want to, and execute. All things will execute, and your PC DNS will be flushed, and you will get a smooth network. The second step would be removing Bloatwares. So how you will remove? There is one method is manual approach and another is automated. So I like the automated method, but let's go through manual also. It might help you. So before doing these things, you need to open PowerShell, run an administrator, and you will copy commands and paste here. So whatever apps you use in your daily life, you will be not copying, not deleting those. So list. So whatever is, so suppose I use clipchamp, so I will remove this and execute all these commands. Once executed, you will get some red text here, which are supposed to occur. Those are actually errors which are protected by admin policies, so those cannot be deleted. So another step is disable the startup apps. So what you will be doing, you will be opening task manager and startup apps. Whatever is unnecessary and getting utilized, you just delete those. For me, these are like enabled, so let's disable this. And Steam. So whatever is useful for me, I am not deleting those. But whatever is not useful for me, I'm deleting those, like disabling those. So these are which I use. So I'm not removing anything. For you, whatever you find unnecessary, you remove. Another is automated method. For this, you need to open PowerShell again, and this is the automated and best method. This is so you will copy this command and paste here. So after pressing enter, it will open a GUI screen, which you can utilize to tweak your system. So this is the install page, where you can use or install whatever things you don't have in your PC, whatever. So there are many options here. You find useful. Suppose Google Drive, you can add it. There are many things. So let's not. I'm not. I don't need these things. So I'm ignoring this, and I will move to tweaks. So there are many essential tweaks. Before going to any essential tweaks, you create this create restore point, so that any things which you delete unnecessarily will be restored again. Second option would be delete, disable activity history. Then there are many those option I'm not seeing, but for you, those options will be available, like disable, delete temporary files. You checked, I checked it. Okay, disable activity history. This you will check. Consumer features. This you will check. Location tracking. This is unnecessary, so you will check this. Disable telemetry. This way you will find here. This is here telemetry. You will remove this, and the PowerShell 7 elementary. This you will also check this. Remove widgets. You can check this also. Another is set services to manual. So this is option also you will check. advanced quick save options. So once you can check disable background apps, you will check this, and disable Microsoft Copilot if that is unnecessary. I don't utilize Copilot. Instead, I use ChatGPT. It's easy. So I don't need this. So I will check those also. Copilot, and disable storage sense or disable notification tree calendar. This you will also check. Storage sense and tree calendar. This you will check. Prefer PRP for this one for better ping. This option you can check. Optional but recommended things. Remove OneDrive. So OneDrive might be here also. You can remove this. And remove Microsoft Edge. If you use Chrome instead of Edge, you can remove. Set display for display for performance. This option you will also check. Customize preferences. So these are those options which are available here. Customize preferences. Ping search bar. This one should be off. Cross device resume. Cross device. This should be off. Whatever is off here, you will off, and whatever is on, you should let it on. So hidden files and so file extension, this should be on. So mouse acceleration, that is also needed. You need to manually disable it so you can do it here also. That's it. That is, add this one. Make sure you add this profile. When you add this, you will see this command is getting executed here. Let's see here. It's installed and set as plan. So active. So this is executed. After that, you will come to config tab and make sure to run this. After running this tweak, you will come to config. You will check. You will need these things. This one and Hyper-V. I enabled it, but if you need, you will apply. If you don't need, don't apply. Scan system corruption. This might take some time. If you want, you can check. If you don't want, you cannot check. Okay. Reset network fixes. This one also. This one you can also apply, and legacy media also enable this. Okay. So these are the things which needs to be done, and after doing this, you whatever you selected, it will automatically apply here, but you need to click after clicking this, selecting these options. You will click on install features, and once it is done, click on a system corruption scan, so that it takes time, so you need to wait. So if this is optional thing, you can, and this option also you need to check. So see, this is done. So another is a corruption scan. You can try on your own. Another option is updates section. You will click this option, security settings. Once you click, see update sets are recommended. It is on. No, so after this, applying these all things, you are done. And the final step should be, after doing all these and restarting your PC, make sure to restart so that these options and these settings gets applied. After restarting your PC, do these final optimizations like set your display refresh rate. You can check those in control panels. For me, it is Nvidia. So manage 3D settings, and you make sure to apply these settings. Maximum performance, high performance. It should be these all settings. You should make those things. It is. I'm sorry. That's it. And check all these options. If you have these kind of power management also for prefer maximum performance. These I have already done. So you can check these also. And that's it. Your PC is not debloated and optimized. If you like this video and it helped you, you can drop a like and subscribe button. Thanks.